Hello again, all you lovely people out there in magical YouTube type world thing. Yeah. Makes a difference to welcome back to the card map, doesn't it? Oh, he said it, too late. It's out the bag. Here's a nice trick. I can't do it because I need a spectator, so I'll do the best that I can do, but I'm not supposed to know what the card is. You're not supposed to know what the card is, okay? So what you do is you start dealing down cards. You have 27, by the way. You start dealing down cards into 3 piles. And you casually ask your spectator what's their favourite number between 1 and 27, obviously because you've got 27 cards. I say they say their favourite number is 16. Alright. So they've said their favourite number is 16. You just remember that they've said 16. Now you tell them to think of any card they want to in all of that lot. They can think of any one they want. And say they go for the Queen of Spades, right? So they've picked the Queen of Spades. So what I'll do is pick up all the cards again and re-deal them. Now I'm not supposed to know what card they've picked, or rather you as the performer would not know what card they've picked. All you're going to get to find out is what line it's in. And you know where this, well, you might think you know where this is going, but I bet you don't. Right, so you ask them again, which line is their card in? And they'll say it's in that one there. And you go, fine, so your card is in that one there. We'll pick all the cards back up again. Again, I will deal out the 27 cards. And again, you just want them to look for their chosen card, which, as we don't know, or shouldn't know, is the Queen of Spades. And so you dealt down all the cards, and once again, for the last time, you say which pile is your card in, and they're going to say it's in this pile, right? So yet again, you pick up all the cards, just like that. And you say, oh, by the way, yeah, you said your lucky number was 16, or your favourite number was 16. Well, watch this. If I deal down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 cards. I bet you the 16th card is your Queen of Spades. Works every time. Works every time. On the principle of the 21 cards, the card will always end up in number 11th place. In this one, the position of the card will vary. Yeah, it will vary. It's very, 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 very mathematical. I've even drawn you a little chart, aren't I kind? So you'll have to write this down, this chart. When you get the chance, write it down, right? As you'll notice, I've got the numbers 1, 2 and 3 grouped together. I've got the numbers 4, 5 and 6 grouped together. I've got the numbers 7, 8 and 9 grouped together. You'll notice that number 1 on your first pick up of the cards has got a T, which means top. Number 2 has got an M, which means middle. And the number 3 has got a B, which means bottom. Same for 4, 5 and 6, top, middle and bottom. And same for 7, 8 and 9, top, middle or bottom. That's on your first pick up, right? I'll go through it step by step and show you exactly how this works. You deal down your 27 cards. And while you're doing it, you just casually ask them what their favourite number is between 1 and 27. Sometimes they'll give you their birth date or the birthday of their significant other or their mother or the father or the wedding anniversary or the day the dog had 17 pups, something like that. You remember what number they give you. Say they give you the number 14, right? You want to make that number into a single digit number. So you take the 1 and the 4, add them together and get 5, right? Now I can tell you straight away the 5 is the middle. 5 on my first pickup is the middle. So whatever card they pick, we'll go again with the Queen of Spades. There she is, right up there, top of the shop. That pile has to go in the middle. So you can pick up the first pile, any of these 2 piles, throw it on the top, and then put it on the top of that one. So you put the first pile, well, the pile with their card in the middle, right? 5, middle. Then you'll deal them down again. And they're just looking for their card, the Queen of Spades. as I say, you do not know what the card is. And again, because they picked the number 5 is it's the middle section in it. You got 1, 2 and 3 as the top, 4, 5 and 6 at the middle, and 7, 8 and 9 at the bottom. Well, 5 comes into the middle for your second pickup. So again, you want to pick that up in the middle, that pile with their card in the middle. So you could do similar thing, just making sure that their pile goes in the middle. Then you deal them out again. And again, they're just looking for their card, the Queen of Spades. And there she is in pile 1 again. Now the original number that they thought of was 14. I said 14, didn't I? Well, 14 falls in between 10 and 18. See, the first pick is 1 to 9, 10 to 18, and 19 to 27. But 14 falls into that one, which again makes it the middle. So again, you want that pile to go in the middle of all 3. Then you can go back to the number that they give you at the start, which was 14, and you can count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 will be their card. Works every time, as long as you follow them steps. Without using the cards, say they picked number 25. 5 and 2 is 7. Well, you know 7 is the top card in the bottom pile. So your first pick, whatever pile they pick, goes to the top. Their pile's on top. What number did I say? 27. No, 25. 25, yeah, is 7. Then the next time you pick it up, it goes onto the bottom of the pile. And because 25 falls into that bracket, again, you'd have it on the bottom. And their card would then be the 25th card that you came to. If they said, say they made it nice and easy for you and said 4. Well, in here, 4 is the top card of the second set, if you can see what I mean. So the first pick up, their pile goes on the top of the packet. Second pick, it's the middle group. 4, 5 and 6 is the middle group of them 3 groups. So the next pick up, it go into the middle of the packet. And because 4 is in between 1 and 9, last time it'd go on the top of the packet. So when you deal down 3 cards, the 4th card would be their card. Works every time as long as you can follow that. It's not rocket science. 1, 2 and 3 is the top, middle and bottom. 4, 5 and 6, just break them down into little groups of 3. 1, 2 and 3, top, middle and bottom. 4, 5 and 6, top, middle and bottom. 7, 8 and 9, top, middle and bottom. 1, 2, 3 as a group is the top pile. 4, 5 and 6 as a group is the middle pile. And 7, 8 and 9 as a group is the bottom pile. And whatever their number was, if it's between 1 and 9, it goes on the top. If it's between 10 and 18, well, not between, from 10 to 18, it goes in the middle pile. And if it's 19 up to 27, it goes on the bottom one. Ta-da! Yeah. As I say, you could do that over and over and over on different people at the same time. No, do it to one person and everything's completely different to doing it to the second person and doing it to the third person. And no one would get, as long as you don't have that piece of paper lying on the bloody table, nobody would get onto it. Smashing, eh? Nice one. Hope you enjoy it. It's not that hard when you really think about it. If I can do it, you can do it. It's not that hard. Top group, middle group, bottom group. Top, middle and bottom. Top, middle and bottom. Top, middle and bottom. Top group, middle group, bottom group. 1 to 9, 10 to 18, 19 to 27. There we go. Give it a bit of practice, learn your maths and have fun with it. See you again soon.